took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine. Summer night, everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever. Forever till the end of time.
Don Giovanni, today. See, I got something to say.
Tell me, son, what's on your mind?
Well, boss, see, there's this girl. She's my whole world. I promised her that I'm getting out of the family business. I'm not going to work for yous no more. I'm done.
That's funny, kid. Listen, you're out when I say you're out. Now listen here, I got a job for you. Some galoot wronged the family, and I need you to take care of him. Here, take this.
No, Don, I don't want this. I'm out. I told you I'm done.
Oh, Romeo, I saw these flowers and they reminded me of our first date, so I just thought I'd stop by the restaurant. Hey, where are you? Are you in the back? Okay, I'm coming back.
Romeo, what's going on? You said you were done with this life. Baby, wait, no, it's not what it looks like. I trusted you. How could you do this to me? Here, take these flowers. Oh, I never want to see you. I'm going to run away and I'm going to sit in my chair until the next scene happens.
Stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be